Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you with another recipe which is called Khati Khati, which is basically smoked chicken. It's normally cooked with FuFu corn and njama, but I cooked it differently. I use spinach, which is an option, and I also use cornmeal polenta, which is like FuFu corn. So let's just go straight into the ingredients. So for this recipe I used fresh tomatoes. I didn't want to use plain tomatoes because I didn't want the dish to be like a stew. And the next, of course, you need your spinach. There I have about 2 packets of spinach. You can use fresh spinach if you want, but I just prefer the frozen one. And then there I have a mixture of leek, celery, ginger, garlic, and some hot scotch bonnet pepper. And then you need your palm oil. You need some maggi cubes. You need onions, and then you will need your cornmeal polenta. I actually like to mix the cornmeal with the coarsemeal. It just gives it a very nice texture and it goes very well with the dish. You're going to need 2 big onions for this recipe, so go ahead and save the other sliced onion for your spinach. So once the onions are frying there, just go ahead and add 2 to 3 cooking spoons of the blended ingredients. All the ingredients will be at the description box, so you know how I cook the dish. And then we're just gonna allow that to cook for another 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna be adding in the chopped tomatoes. After about 20-30 minutes, the tomato base is ready. As you can see, I didn't want it to be like a stew. I just wanted it to be like a sauce really, but you can see the onions in there, it's nice and beautiful. So at this point I just went ahead and added in the smoked chicken, and that's it. The dish was ready. It's a very easy dish, very quick, that anyone can do really. So that's the Khati Khati, which is ready there. I just allowed it to simmer for 15 minutes. And it turned out very nice. As you can see, it's not like a tomato stew, but that's how you want the dish. So the next step now, we move on to the spinach. So for the spinach, I have some vegetable oil in the pan. I just went ahead and added some palm oil. And then you add your onions, and after the onions, we'll be adding in the same seasoning as the sauce, the tomato sauce, which is basically the mixed ingredients that I showed you, which was a celery, leek, garlic, maggi cubes and pepper. And then you add in your seasoning, maggi cubes. You can also add a bit of salt if you want. and then followed by your spinach, and then we're just going to allow the spinach to cook maybe 10-15 minutes. Spinach normally doesn't take long to cook, so that's another quick dish as well. So once you've added some water, allow the spinach to cook for about 15 minutes and she should be ready. Over here we've got the polenta, which was just warm water, and that's the result that you get. So here's our Khati Khati, which is ready. You've got the polenta fufu there, you have your smoked chicken, your sauce and spinach. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.